Before replacing any electrical part on your Bobcat S185, check these fuses and relays first. The charger features a 12-volt negative ground generator charging system. The electrical system is protected by fuses in the driver's cab on the control panel and by a 100-amp main fuse in the engine compartment on the left side of the engine, below the air filter. The fuses protect the electrical system in the event of an electrical overload. The cause of the overload must be determined before restarting the engine. The electrical system is protected against overload by fuses and relays located under the fuse box cover. Item 1. A sticker showing the location and amperage is located on the inside of the cover. Remove the cover to check or replace the fuses.